A very warm welcome to my TikTok topic body language, and this is Muhammad Fayed of Mechanical Branch from, and my roll number is 20951A0326. So body language, what is body language? It is a type of non-verbal communication in which physical behaviors as opposed to words are used to express or convey the information. Such behavior includes facial expressions, body postures, gestures and movement. So actually body language is nothing but the way we stand, the way we express our body motions, the way we move our hands and etc and etc. So it is also existing in animals also, but the article focuses on interpretations of human body language, and this is known as kinesis. So in the above picture we are able to watch two women talking to each other. Notice the woman in blue has an arm next to her body, whilst the other uses her to gesticulate. Both signs of body language. The one in the black clothes is showing the movements of hand, and the other in the blue clothes is uh, folding her hands and showing the excitation. And moving further, the importance of body language. Why is it important? Although body language is an important part of communication, most of it happens without conscious awareness. Body language must not be confused with sign language, as sign languages are languages and have their own complex grammar systems, as well as being able to exhibit the fundamental properties that exist in all languages. Body language, on the other hand, does not have a grammar system and must be interpreted broadly instead of having an absolute meaning corresponding with a certain movement. So it's not a language and is simply termed as language due to popular culture. So why is it important, and what is the difference between the sign language and body language? The language in body language does not mean any language. It is due to popular culture of it. And body language includes physical expressions. Physical expressions may include facial expression, in which facial expression we express how we are happy, sad, or focused, or confident, or afraid. And in general, body postures where chest is specifically, shoulder, and then breathing, handshake. Uses of body language. The use of body language has also seen an increase in application and use commercial, with large volume of books and guides published designed to teach people how to be conscious of body language and how to use it to benefit them in certain scenarios. So many people the use of body language can be seen in wide variety of fields. Body languages has seen applications in instructional teaching in areas such as second language acquisition, and also to enhance the teaching of subjects like mathematics. A related use of body language is as substitution to verbal language to people who lack the ability to use that, be it because of deafness or aphasia. So majorly where we use the body language. Body language has a lot of applications, and first of all, the body languages include facial expressions, general body postures, breathing, and many other. Sorry. And we express our facial expressions whether we are happy or sad or focused or confident or afraid. So our uh, movement in a lip, movement on the face may change our expression. So many people are unable to keep a proper body language. So various kinds of teachings are given in order to keep ourselves in a proper manner, and they are teach how the body language is to be done. So a related use of body language is a substitution to verbal language and the lack of ability. So the people who are deaf and the dumb, who are unable to mainly see, or mainly unable to see, they are taught how to stand in a public and how to talk in a public, how to express themselves in the public. So this is a small TikTok video on the topic uh, body language, and I would like to thank everyone. Thank you.